Hello friends, just in case if you ever face a situation where you need to convert a table like this in this particular format, so you can do it very easily with the Excel-Tailor Add-in tool. So to convert it in this format, what we need to do, first we will select a cell, right? Then we will go to formula and you can see there's a formula join data by rows. So I'll click this and I will select my data like this. So once you select your data like this, your data will appear in this particular format, right? So the next step is to apply a X lookup. So we'll apply a X lookup like this, right? This will be my lookup value, correct? This will be my lookup array. I will make it absolute, and this will be my return array. I will again make it absolute, right? And I will close the bracket. That's it. The next step is we will drag this formula like this. Okay, now we will use this function to copy all our formulas as values. So we can select any of this option. So let me select like this and click on OK. Right now all my formulas are converted to values. The next thing what we need to do is to go to find and replace, and we have to find what NA and we have to replace it with blank, right? And we click on OK and we click on close. And the last step is to select this data, right, and use the fill down function like this, right, and your data is ready.